Good evening, good afternoon. This is Sandy from Sandy Page. Hope you guys doing good. So this is my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please kindly subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can get the instant updates. Okay. So last week I posted the analysis of a couple of stocks, more than dozens of stocks, which I almost given a very good returns in the last week because the Nifty has given a very good uptrend. And more of my price actions stocks also got a very good hit. You can see the post analysis of these stocks. So this week also we can see a couple of stocks and very good again a good stocks, more than 10 stocks. So starting from let's figure out in the downside, Aditya Birla Fashion. So always I prefer in the weekly time frame majority for the price action stuff because these are the low level stocks. That's what I prefer in the stuff. So the continuous last 5 weeks, almost like 7 weeks, continuous last 7 weeks, the market doesn't clear a buy trend. So once there's a strong bullish candle, once this breaks, we can expect another 220 range in the buy side. Next, Bank Nifty. Again, I took in the daily time frame. See, I have drawn the extension level for Fib extension. See, swing low to swing high. So again, swing low to swing high. Again, a pullback. We can expect another 35,890 range. Still, we can expect another 600 points. 600 points we can expect in the Bank Nifty if it trend goes in upside. Or see, last 5 weeks, 5 days, the market is in consolidation, so we need to wait. This indicates a strong bearish side, so we need to wait on the upcoming days. That is tomorrow or day in this week. Yeah, and Imami, again a clear channel, so a strong rejection from there in the top side, that is a day time frame. So this level hits up, we can expect, or we can come down probably like 500 520 range, we can come down the downside. So we need to wait. Again, what is happening, Goa Carbon, again a very good pattern in the weekly time frame, expecting in the upside breakout. So I'm expecting upside breakout. So let's see, again a very good kind of very good triangle pattern, ascending triangle pattern. So we need to wait for this very good stuff. So once it breaks, we can expect another 450 500 range in the Goa Carbon. We need to wait for the breakout. Please don't enter, just wait for the breakout. Havels, again the market when it comes to daily time frame, it's nearing to channel. See, this thing what could I say, contracting channel got broken. Again inside the market is channel, again trend line is forming, trend line, the respective trend line. So this level we need to wait. Still it's in I would say, because it's not a trading zone as of now. It's not a trade zone. Either need to come down or go upside. We need to wait. This AO is a very good stock for the long term purpose. So probably 1250 to 60 range we can expect. But right now the condition is unstable. We couldn't trade because we don't know what is going to happen in the AO side. Hindustan Petroleum long term target will be 330. Right now a very very good breakout. In this week, if breaks upside, probably you can expect 320 330 range as a long term target. Nifty, again see, it's inside the trend line, the respective trend line, continuous weeks, continuous buy trend, continuous this weekly time frame. This what could I say, the resistance line got broken. A clear buy side last week, again almost like close to 2% got up. So once this level breaks, again we can expect another all time like 16,000 in the Nifty side. So PEL, Pyramid Enterprise, so this is a clear channel. The consolidation was taken this last 5 to 6 week consolidation happened. So we can expect in the buy side upside trend, a clear strong upside. RK Forge, taking a resistance broken, taking a support. Again last 4 weeks taking a support. This is a beautiful flag and fold pattern. So again another we can expect a very good trend in the upside. Yeah, Sterlite Technologies, rounding bottom got formed inside the channel, got broken. Even channel resistance got broken. So probably like 278. Again the market again taking a very good level 290 300 range. So probably we need to decide what is going to happen in the upcoming weeks. Thank you. Thanks a lot.